Greetings and salutations, YouTube. Welcome to another episode of Goodwill Hunting. It's Hadrian here. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day, morning, night, whenever you guys are watching this. I'm here in front of the Goodwill in Anaheim, California. I'm super excited to take you guys in there with me. But if you guys love thrifting, you love thrift hauls, and you love vlogs, do not forget to subscribe. Hit that little bell button to be notified when new videos do go up. And don't forget to check out my Instagram. It's Hadrian, just like it's spelled here. And check out my shop. It's itsHadrian.com to see what I have for sale for my thrifting adventures. But without further ado, let's head into the store. I'm super excited to see what they have today. Alright, so there is the Goodwill. So there's a couple things that I'm looking for, and what's awesome about the Orange County Goodwills is that they do get Target products. And one of the Target products that I'm looking for that hopefully this one or another Goodwill has is this birch 4-foot light up tree. Maybe they'll have it in a different size, who knows. But I got one from another store. I'm looking for more. So I usually go to this store first in like my rounds of Goodwills that I go to. But today, this is the last stop of the day, so if you guys want to see those other thrifting videos, don't forget to subscribe. Check out my playlist for my other thrifting videos. And they should be linked over there. But it's Sunday, and I'm going through the rest of the handbags. They look pretty picked over, which is to be expected because it's the last day of the week and it's Sunday, and it's later on in the day. Let's go check out the rest of the stuff though. Alright, I'm checking out the vases. Don't really see. Oh, look at that. For like the fireplace. Some Christmas stuff. Check out that owl. Okay guys, so this is one of the things I just found out on a new card they just brought out. And it says Family Secret Recipe. So cute. It looks to be in good condition. And yeah, I'm excited about it. Looking at the Christmas stuff. Oh my gosh, how cute is this? Sparkle, bright, bright little duck. I still don't know what kind of Christmas tree I want to do. I'm so like indecisive at the moment. But I feel like once, oh, they look like, oh, how cute, so festive. But once like I kind of get like everything out, like I think then I'll kind of like know where I'm trying to go with everything. What is this Sony thing? I did get like a couple. I got one bag of these makeup things. I might get another just because I think they're gonna be like great stocking stuffers for the holidays. I'm thinking about getting another one, like that big bag right there. Little boxes. Forgot that I'm on the hunt for a Christmas tree thing, so that is what I'm looking for right now. If they had any, they would be over here and all this Christmas stuff, but I don't see any as of yet. Alright, I didn't see any on my first round, but there's a lot of people, so I was like trying to like squeeze through. Also looking through all the furniture to see if there's anything good. Infant car seat. Ooh, this elephant with all the balloons is pretty adorable. Let's be looking through the backpacks also, but they all look very picked over. There's like literally no backpacks really left. I feel like these bottles are such great stocking stuffers. $4.99 is not too bad for those. I think they're actually pretty expensive at Target too, so. Oh, what is this? That is very cool looking. Just for me fund. What does this one say? Wine and dine fund. How cute are these? That is adorable. IKEA plates. Empty bowls 2014. I am like everywhere looking at these plates right now. I think I saw these guys last time. They're like plastic plates from Lori Gates. Or plastic bowls, I should say. But so far, not really anything too exciting in the bowl area. That is interesting looking. This is kind of cool. What's this? I think it's from Target. Ooh. Just had to fix the plates. They always make me nervous when they're like teetering. How cool are these like little starfish? Like candle, maybe votive holders? Here one. Look at this little basket looking like woven teapot. Cute. Let's go over here. You know, it just occurred to me like how crazy the turnover is for mugs, especially in this store. Like I feel like every time I come, like the mugs are all gone or like all different. Ooh, Starbucks. This is actually like a super cute mug. It's just a little dirty. We'll think about that. I know I need to cut down on the mugs, but you know. Ooh, morning pumpkin. How cute. Kirkland. Is this from? Where is this from? I want to say this might be Williamson, or probably not. Is it weird that I love things with like little feet like that? Like I think that's so cute. I'm still thinking, should I get this? Because I did break the one. Well, I didn't break it. The lid broke during the move. This is gonna be half off. Should probably just get it from mom. Wood bowl. Some like canisters for the kitchen. Some Pottery Barn. Ooh, this is kind of pretty. I like the watercolor effect of those leaves. It's not Pottery Barn. I mean, Le Creuset. What is this? Like a little putter? Interesting. Oh, this is like Puke, or I think these are from like Restoration Hardware. Or at least they sell them, I think, at Restoration Hardware. Interesting bowl. Threshold. Pie is my favorite, that's cute. From IQ Accessories. Threshold $7.99. I think this is from Pottery Barn. Oh, I think it is, right? $4.99. I think it's missing the charging unit though. Yeah, it is from Pottery Barn. You guys, check out this mirror. Threshold wall mirror, silver finish. Oh, it's so nice. And it's $25, and there's 2 of them. Alright, you guys, thanks so much for hanging out with me today. I had so much fun going into the store, and I hope you guys did too. If you guys enjoyed the video, please give a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe so you'll be notified when the haul video does go up. Don't forget to tune in today at 2 for the vlog. And I'll see you guys all later. Bye. Okay, so I think I just found back a pretty cool pair of shoes. These are from Nike, and they're actually really good condition. Just a little bit of darkening, but I like the white part, but that's super easy to clean. I think I'm gonna get that for him. Anyway, super cute. Very cool for these. Oh, are those